Welcome to the final part of our Manchester walking tour. Today, we explore the city's modern horizon and leafy southern charm. We begin at Media City, UK, a world-class hub for digital creativity and one of the most significant media developments in Europe. Home to major broadcasters like the BBC and ITV, this former dockland has been transformed into a gleaming, futuristic landscape. Nearby, the Imperial War Museum North stands as a powerful architectural symbol of a world shattered by conflict. It's a place where modern innovation and historic grit find a new, harmonious balance. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Arts and culture thrive here too, anchored by the iconic Lowry Building, named after the city's most famous painter. From theater to waterfront dining, the Keys offer a vibrant lifestyle that rivals any major European city. Just across the water lies the Theatre of Dreams, a global landmark for the world's most popular sport. Leaving the waterfront, we head towards the energy of the University Corridor. The University of Manchester is a powerhouse of education, where 17 Nobel laureates have worked or studied. Nearby, the Manchester Museum houses treasures from ancient Egypt to natural history. Oxford Road is one of Europe's busiest bus corridors, pulsing with the energy of the city's vast student population. A short walk away, Whitworth Park offers a green escape from the academic hustle. The Whitworth Art Gallery seamlessly blends its Victorian heritage with stunning contemporary design. Continuing south, we enter the famous Curry Mile, a sensory explosion of neon, spice, and diverse cultures. As the city softens, we reach the leafy suburbs of South Manchester, starting with Didsbury. Fletcher Moss Botanical Gardens is a hidden gem, offering serene paths and stunning floral displays. Burton Road is the heart of West Didsbury's independent scene, famous for its relaxed, village-like atmosphere. Nearby, Chorlton maintains its own unique bohemian identity centered around the charming Beach Road. The E's offer a vast natural escape where the city feels miles away. These neighborhoods prove that Manchester's growth is balanced by a deep love for its local communities. As our journey comes to a close, we head back towards the water where we began. The Keys truly come alive in the evening as the glass buildings begin to sparkle against the twilight sky. The reflections on the water remind us of the city's constant movement and change. From every angle, Manchester tells a story of resilience, creativity, and a bright future. We hope you've enjoyed this three-part tour of the city we call home. Thank you for walking with us. Until next time, keep exploring. This concludes our Manchester walking tour. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.